Maybe I can set a world record for most donuts with no hands. It's straightening out. Let's just try to. And we're going the other way. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to go out with my E39 528i and do some drifting on an open parking lot. It is kind of snowy, slippery and cold outside today, so we are going to try no hand drifting challenge. We're going to go to a big open parking lot. Do not do this on the open road, really important. Go to a closed parking lot with no cars, no pedestrians, nothing, and try to drift with not using the hands. No hands on the steering wheel. So I will try to drift for as long as I can, drift and do donuts of course, for as long as I can with having no hands on the steering wheel. And I will actually try to also not use the brake, but yeah, I will try my hardest to not use the brake as well, because I could left foot brake and that could make it a little bit easier to make transitions and hold the donut longer. Maybe I will do, I think over 30 seconds is my goal. That will be quite fun. So now let's go out and do the challenge, the no hand drifting challenge. It will be quite fun to see for how long I could drift with having no hands on the steering wheel. Hopefully I will not freak out, but I think this will be quite cool. But really important that we, like the safety issue of this challenge, do not do it on the open road. Have a really large open big space you can do it in that are safe, because you do not want to endanger other people. Also remember to subscribe and put on that post notification bell. And now it is time to start drifting with no hands on the steering wheel. So we are at the parking lot right now. Wow, this is so slippery. Oh my god, my front wheels are just slipping up under there. There we go, that's a slide. The good thing about this is that now we don't have like spots that have a little bit of grip. Now it's just equally slippery all the way. I mean, I can seriously just do donuts and not have my hands on the steering wheel. Oh, a little bit of grip, a little bit more throttle, that's it. This is the good thing about having a welded diff. You know what's going to happen. It's not an issue. That is something I really like, because if I did not have a welded diff, I could never have done this. Maybe I can set a world record for most donuts with no hands. Oh no! It's straightening out. Let's just try to. And we're going the other way. Whoa, no hand drifting. Maybe I can transition. No, I can't. Now I'm going out. Damn it. I do love that welded diff. It's so predictable. I don't even need, once again, no hands. I don't need to, I can just have a little bit more throttle. Yeah, we're back at it, doing donuts. Whoa! I love snow, it's so much fun. Last winter was my first winter with a welded diff on my E36 Compact, and that was great. So having a welded diff on this car as well it's the best. I mean, it's so predictable. You know what's going to happen all the time, because if you just have one wheel spinning and not a welded diff, the other wheel can start, one wheel can spin and then the other wheel can start spinning, and yeah, that's not good. Now I know what's going to happen. Now we are here again doing donuts. I don't need to grab the wheel even. Let's do it. Oh, I'm getting nauseous. I can be car sick. Okay, let's try a quick 360. That would be kind of cool. I don't think we can do a 360 because we need a little bit of speed. But we'll try a slow one. Okay. Yeah, it was alright. It's so nice to just slide around like slow and control, and it's so nice on an open parking lot with snow. It's not going fast, so it doesn't give me much adrenaline, but I mean, I like it. It's nice. It's a good feeling. flick it, a little bit of throttle. Whoa, that was kind of good. Okay, we actually made it over 30 seconds when we reached my goal. I'm quite happy with that. It was quite fun and very strange to experience a car sliding around and around and around in circles and going the other way and stuff like that, and not having to control the car, only control it with the throttle. So I had to sometimes throttle more to keep it in drift, and sometimes throttle less to not drift as like hard, you could say. So yeah, it was kind of fun. It was quite slippery there, so it was kind of easy, of course, but I would actually like to try this in the summertime as well on the dry pavement, but I think that is a lot harder, and if I'm going to do that on dry pavement, I also think I need to use left foot braking. But yeah, it's quite fun. So if you guys are interested in doing the same, I will maybe make a video with all of you guys doing the same challenge if enough people send me your videos and enough people try. But very important, stay in a safe place. But if you want to do this, you can send me your video on Instagram and I will have a look at it, and maybe I will just make a compilation with all of you guys' tries on trying to drift, and maybe I will make a commentary about it. I don't know, tell me in the comments what you guys want to see about that. And yeah, I think it was quite fun. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you would like more of this BMW content, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.